Nature is the way, the truth, and the life. Nature's laws versus man-made laws. Beacon of light at the Derringdo Lighthouse. Mind, power, eternity. Your transformation is always in progress. Either you are transforming for the better or the worse. The choice is yours to make. Now, nature's laws versus man-made laws. They're two different things. One is straightforward, nature's laws. The other, man-made laws, are crooked. One is straightforward, nature's laws. The other, man-made laws, are crooked. One can be abridged. No, one cannot be abridged. The other can. So what do I mean by all of this? Nature's laws does not deceive, does not confuse, does not create chaos, in the sense that it elevates human beings. It elevates everything. It provides, it feeds, it nurtures. Man-made laws, on the other hand, can be misconstrued, can be used to torment, abuse, disenfranchise, dehumanize, and man-made laws are used in such a way that the wordings, the clauses, the phrases can be used to deceive and confuse those who think they know what a code, a statute, a law, a policy is really talking about. When I say nature is the way, the truth, and the life, I mean it. I 100% mean this. Mankind deceives, nature doesn't. It's simple. And if you follow the laws of nature, you will be victorious in your life. Stop following man-made laws. I'm not saying, though, that some man-made laws, you have no choice but to abide by them, or else you'll be thrown in jail or sentenced to life. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying in essence is this. As much as we talk about man-made laws, we need to focus more so on Mother Nature's laws, because her laws are straightforward, they're not crooked. And when you abide by her laws, you will become more enlightened, self-sustaining, and you will become one with her. Simple. If you want to grow your own food, all you have to do is plant the seed, water the seed, remove the weeds, let the sunlight provide your plants nutrients for it to grow. If you don't have farmland, or if you don't have any land right now, I suggest you purchase some land. Food shortages are coming. Food shortages are coming. If you are in the United States, find some local farmers you can team up with. Be willing to donate your time, your energy, your money to providing assistance, sustaining some of the farms that are still in better shape, better use. Learn how to farm, learn how to grow some cash crops so you can sustain yourself just in case the grocery stores close down or they run out of food. you can still survive. If you can't afford land in the United States, look elsewhere. The world is global. The world is global now. All you need is your passport, either one or two, right? And go find your next adventure. You'll be surprised if you leave the United States. You will have the peace of mind that you've been seeking. You would work less. People working 2 to 3 jobs and still can't make it. I'm not saying that you won't work at all when you leave the United States. You will work. You have no choice. Work is part of your life. That's really the way of living. You have to work. You have to create. You have to provide for your family. But if you can't find a cheap farmland in the United States, look elsewhere. South America, Africa. Don't go to Asia. Asia right now is super crowded, but go Africa, South America. Find land that you can grow food. Any place that is tropical, you can grow a lot of cash crops right now. You can provide for yourself. You can sell some of your produce at the farmer's market if you so choose. So nature is the way, the truth, and the life. The greatest source of wealth on the planet is land. Let me repeat that. The greatest source of wealth on the planet is land. Apart from the human body, if you take care of your body, your temple, the second choice is land. If you take care of your land, if you take care of Mother Nature, if you take care of Mama Earth, she will reward you with abundance that is always, always, always there. Man-made laws can be misconstrued, can be abused and used to disenfranchise, dehumanize, and torture. And 9 times out of 10, what I've seen with man-made laws is very biased. It favors those who know what the codes are really talking about, who understand legalese. Legalese is a form of a document that has wordings that are meant to confuse. Until next time, beacon of light at the Derringdo Lighthouse. Mind, power, eternity. Your transformation is always in progress. Arise, just be it. There's nothing to it. In fact, it's the only way of being. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so right now. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, whoever you think this video might serve. There you have it. Peace, love, and prosperity. Get the new book, Just Be It, on Amazon right now. Type in Just Be It, 21st Century and for Eternity of Being. Just Be It, 21st Century and for Eternity of Being. Written by me, Odingus C. Enyabuke Jr. I will include the information in the description box. All right? Until next time. Bye now.